Right guys, there's just one last thing I forgot to mention. I hardly got any sleep last night because someone needed a light on, the scaredy cat.
Shut up, you suck your thumb.
Hey! Right, I told you not to say that on camera. Right, we'll see you at the castle guys. So welcome back to the channel guys. Thanks for joining us on this video of Caernarfon Castle. It's just behind us there, so let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on guys, let's go.